Mouse switches tend to wear with usage and start to produce more clicks than you have intended to do. If you're still in warranty, just claim a replacement. If not, like me, stick around to see how you can repair it. You will need to take it apart. That will be fairly easy if you own a screwdriver. After you gain access to the internals, locate the misbehaving switch and disassemble him. In my case, the problem is with the left switch. Try to be gentle. Almost. The problem lies with the thin metal strip. Fixing it, it will require you to bend the spring part downwards and clean the contacts with some alcohol. That will take you less than a minute, but putting it back together, it will test your patience. This will be the most likely point of failure, so think twice before you replicate what I'm doing here. Anyhow, I managed after 40 minutes to put it back together, and if everything is okay, then pressing it in the front should result in a satisfying click. Good. Put everything back together and test it. In my case, this fixed the problem. Hopefully, you fixed yours too. So a like will require you just one click.